Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to do a video on how to exchange a rear reverse light on a 2018-19 Atlas Volkswagen. I'm going to show you guys how it's done. It's pretty simple. For tools, you need some type of plastic remover or a flathead will work just fine for it. So we're going to start with the video now. So what you want to do is just remove this plastic piece. Remove fairly simple. It's the cover itself. And then on here, there's the wiring harness. There's a red button in which you pop out. And then there's a clip that holds the actual harness itself. You want to push it in and you want to pull it out. And it comes out fairly simple. You want to remove this plastic white housing that holds the actual reverse light bulb itself, and you want to remove them by pressing these two black hinges inward, and then you should be able to finagle it out. Let's take a minute. All right. Just push this side plastic piece a little bit out, and there you go. This is how it looks. You remove this bulb. This is the OEM bulb. And what we went with, you can get this at your local auto repair, auto shop. This is a Sylvania light bulb. It's a LED. It's 6K, and this goes literally right back in the same housing as the original OEM bulb. This is how it looks. Okay, and you repeat the process. The way you removed it is the way you put it back in. You want to make sure that everything lines up. Click back on, make sure it's in. You put the harness back on itself, and you make sure that you click in the red button here to make sure that the harness is nice and tight. Once that's completed, you put the hard plastic cover, and you are all set. Done. I'll show you guys how it looks after. This is how it looks with the LED on.